How do you handle a flood of Instagram DMs and figure out which ones are worth your time? You let an AI agent qualify them. When someone messages you, InRow's AI agent reads what they want, asks a few questions, saves the answers to your CRM, and sorts the real leads from the browsers before you open the chat. In this video, I'll build a full inbound DM qualification flow in InRow, a certified meta tech provider. So every message gets qualified, tagged, and routed on its own. First, a definition. Lead qualification is deciding whether an inbound message is a real potential customer before you spend time on it. InRow does this at 3 levels. It filters which DMs enter a flow at all using AI intent detection. It runs the qualifying conversation, asking questions, and saving the answers. And it routes each contact based on what they said. Genuine leads one way, everyone else another. All 3 happen without you touching the inbox. Here is the problem with normal automation. It fires on exact keywords, but real buyers do not use your keywords. Someone ready to work with you might write, "Do you still take clients?" or "What does working with you look like?" Neither contains a set keyword, so keyword automation misses them. InRow uses AI intent detection instead. You describe the intent in plain language, like "wants to work with me," and InRow fires on meaning, however the message is phrased. On comments, you can still layer keywords, and InRow automatically excludes hateful or negative ones. Let me build one. I create a scenario and set the trigger to AI detected intent, described in plain language. I can run a DM intent trigger and a comment keyword trigger on the same scenario. So someone who comments and then DMs is caught once. When it fires, the contact drops into an interested leads folder in the smart inbox. After a short delay, around 120 seconds, so it does not feel robotic, the AI agent sends a warm greeting. "Thanks for reaching out. Can I ask you a couple of quick questions?" Then it asks the first one, like, "What is your main goal right now?" Here is what makes this more than a chatbot. As the person answers, the AI agent writes each answer straight to your CRM in real time. In the AI agent settings under user data collection, you choose which properties it can read and write, like goal, experience level, and budget, because it can read them too. It references what someone already told you when it asks the next question. So it reads like a real conversation, not a form. And if they drop off after question 2, the answers you already collected are saved. Nothing is lost. Once the questions are answered, InRow evaluates an AI-detected condition. You write the rule in plain language, like the contact is a genuine fit with clear intent. It reads the whole conversation and all the saved data, not just the last message, and returns true or false. If true, they are a genuine lead. The AI agent sends a short intake form in the DM, and the moment it is filled, InRow emails your team with every field pre-populated: name, goal, experience, budget. So your first human conversation starts with the full picture. If false, they are not a fit right now. The agent lets them down gently, points them to free content, and drops them into a nurture folder. A few things run on their own from here. If someone goes quiet, InRow sends an automatic re-engagement DM after a delay you set, and reminds genuine leads who have not filled the form. If a contact asks for a human, the conversation is flagged, and the instant a teammate replies, the AI agent pauses so it never talks over a live person. And because every contact is sorted into folders, each folder becomes and audio. You can send a follow-up campaign to just the not a fit folder when a cheaper offer launches. With the Make integration, all of it syncs to HubSpot, Pipedrive, or MailChimp in real time. Is this compliant? Yes. Inrow is a certified Meta tech provider on Meta's official Instagram API, and every flow responds to a message the person sent first. It never cold messages people who have not contacted you, which is the line Meta cares about. I have a full video on what is safe and what gets accounts banned, linked below. So instead of triaging 50 DMs a day, the AI agent qualifies everyone, writes the data to your CRM, routes the real leads to a form, and notifies your team while you do nothing. Inrow is AI-powered Instagram DM automation and a certified Meta tech provider used by over 10,000 creators and brands. Start free, no credit card. The link is in the description. Let your inbox qualify itself.